is you my friend? I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl.
I was gonna start the vlog tomorrow when I'm traveling to Copenhagen, but I was like, you know what, why not just start it today? And it's a good thing I did, because I was gonna pick up this camera without the memory card. So when I turned it on, I was like, oh shit, the memory card is not in the camera. And best believe I was gonna pick it up and take it with me without the memory card, so there wouldn't have been a vlog, or maybe I would have like gone to the shop and get one. But anyways, I am currently trying to check in. I'm going to Copenhagen for a few days. I'm just going there to like explore. That's the good thing about living in London. You get to like buy really cheap flights, and then you just go somewhere that's like 1 hour and like 40 minutes away, explore, eat, see the place, and come back. You know, broader you look horizon a little bit. So I'm currently here checking in. My flight is with Ryanair. I'm flying from Stansted tomorrow, which I've only gone to Stansted like once. Where did I go when I went to Stansted? I can't remember where I went, but I believe it was like another solo trip as well. I've been somewhere and I had to go to Stansted. I don't like the airport. It's not my favorite. But that's where the flight is tomorrow. So I did book it in the afternoon only because of that reason. Normally if the flight was like in Heathrow or maybe Gatwick, I probably would have do like an early morning flight, but it's in Stansted. So I say, you know what, I'm not gonna struggle. I'm not gonna do that to myself. So let's book an afternoon flight where I can have an easy morning and just take my time and traveling. I just finished packing as well. I'm gonna show you guys my bag in a minute that I'm gonna be taking, but let me just try and check into this flight really quickly. I'm trying to like load this up. Meanwhile, that load my check-in thing, I did pack like a carry-on bag. I was literally like struggling just now just to fit everything in this backpack. I got this on Amazon and it specifically said that it's like a Ryanair carry-on bag. I'm only going for like 2 days, 2 days, 2 nights, 3 days, something around that line. And I decided to just bring like a backpack. I really wanted to challenge myself. Normally when I travel by myself, short trips, whatever, I always take my little suitcase with me. So I was like, you know what, I don't need to pay for any extra bag. Let me just get this bag, and then I will pack stuff in there and see how much I can pack. I'm struggling, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really struggling. I'm really trying to like pack everything that I need, even makeup, very minimal makeup. Let me open the bag and show you. I know I should have just probably started the vlog. No, I'm gonna like undo everything just to show you, but we're friends here, that's all right. So this is how the bag looks. Why is this not checking in? It just keep loading. Right, this is how the inside of the bag looks, just like that. It's literally like a little suitcase, and I pack like just one bag, as in, you know, my guest bag that I always take with me. I have like the crossbody for it as well. I'm just gonna take this one with me. I pack like 2 trousers, and then I have like my liquids in here. Skincare, I'm literally bringing like maybe 3 skincare products, and I decided to bring, I don't have any mini face wash, so I'm bringing this powder one. I think my thing is too overexposed. Wait, I'm bringing like this powder one with me from Kiehl's, so this won't be classified as a liquid. So I just put like the liquid stuff in this organza bag, and then yeah, I still have a few more stuff to pack, like my electronics, that sort of stuff. I don't think I'm gonna take the laptop with me, even though it would be nice to have the laptop to watch Netflix, because the Netflix doesn't really work on my phone, but it does work on my laptop. At least in the night I can have something to like watch, but I'll just watch YouTube on my phone, I think. And I was also thinking like it would be good to start the editing process when I come back, because I might just edit this vlog as soon as I come back and then put it up for like this week, but we'll see, because I won't be taking my laptop with me, so that means I won't be getting to do much work, I guess. I mean, I do have like a laptop section up here. I will see how everything fit, because I didn't really take in consideration that I'm bringing like a tripod with me, that sort of thing. At least I'll still get the content for you guys, and then I can just edit it after. So yeah, this is the bag that I'm going to be taking. To be fair, it's a really good bag and it fits a lot, maybe because the things that I'm bringing is quite chunky, because I'm bringing like a knit top and then jeans, that sort of thing. I probably should have just wear the jeans, but I don't like traveling in jeans on a plane. I don't know if it's just me, so I'm just gonna wear like these linen trousers and like a vest, and I need to wear like a jacket or something as well, even though the place is quite warm, but I know the plane is probably gonna be a little bit chilly. So yeah, that's what I'm taking with. Tomorrow I should probably get to the airport by, what time is my flight? I think my flight is after 1, so I should get to the airport by 10, 11, 12, 1. I'm gonna try and aim to get there by 11. No, that's tight, babe. Maybe by 10, 11, 12, 1. That's 3 hours. I'm gonna try to get there for 10, so that means I have to leave out by 8 o'clock. Oh. Why am I have to leave up by 8 o'clock? Because Stansted is far. I mean, it's far from me, so I have to leave up by 8 o'clock to get to Stansted by 10. So that means I pretty much have to leave my house. I need to be on the train by, I'll figure that out. I'll look on the maps and then I'll figure that out. For now, I'm just trying to like still check in and stuff. But yeah, that is that. I'm gonna take this book with me so I can like read a little bit as well, but I just need to like finish packing the little bits in here. Right, so I'm all checked in. I just need to check in when I'm coming back, but I can always do that tomorrow or the day that I'm coming back. And the passport is in the bag, and yeah, I really wanted to like do some washing and stuff. I do have some laundry to wash before I come back. I think I'm gonna put some laundry in the washing machine, and then I'm gonna like fold up these ones here and there as well, just kind of like get ready in a sense. I also need to eat dinner. Wow, it's 9 o'clock. Can't believe it's 9 o'clock. It's so outside nice, like it's still nice and bright. That's why I be confused. Like, love it when British weather act nice. Morning, guys. I can't believe how early I have to get up to like bloody 1 o'clock flight. I went to bed quite late last night as well. I'm so tired. It is after 6. Let me close off this light. I have like my Lumi light because I do wake up on the Lumi. I'm about to just get my last few bits ready. When I did check the time, it says I need to leave out maybe like after 8. I'm gonna get there about after 10, and then I'm gonna have maybe like 2 or so hours to spare to like check in and do all of that. Gate close around after 12. But just imagine I have to get up like after 6 for a flight. That's like after 1. I've downloaded like a new book last night because I've decided that I'm just gonna take my Kindle instead of that bulky book with me, and then when I come back I can just try and finish by that book. But I'm gonna start reading this. So I've packed majority of the stuff. I just need to pack like my Apple Watch and that sort of thing. I did do a load of laundry last night, some whites. I only have like some colored clothes left to wash, but I could put them in now in the meantime so they can like wash. Let me actually do that, and then I'll start like getting ready and stuff. By the time I'm ready to leave out, I can quickly like put those up.
Texting, you said, baby, don't be mad, you know I'm breathless. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I feel like him.
I was gonna put some contact lenses in, but I feel like because it's my first time wearing them back after a while. The first time when I wore them from the optician, it gave me like a little bit of headache because there was a lot of light coming to my eyes. That's why I'm like taking my sunnies as well, because I need to stop the amount of like sunlight going through my eyes, because otherwise it's too bright. I'm not used to seeing that well. So I don't think I'm gonna wear them on the plane because I don't want them to like dry out a bit and then give me any headache or anything. I'm just thinking, I'm literally just waking up, like I've woke up, but I'm literally just like getting up. So yeah, I'm gonna do that actually. Right, literally after I wash my face in the morning and do my skincare, my energy be like, I'm back, baby.
Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. Strippers wanna sex me, you left on her. Now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want.
I'm done doing my makeup. I'm also like filming on my iPhone, if you can see like a bright light coming from this side. So done doing my makeup. I'm pretty much gonna put back everything that I have here back into the cupboard and get ready now. It's after 7 and I need to like watch the time now because the time is like going. I forgot to mention to you guys, last night I booked like I did like the travel card thing. I was contemplating like check out the price, everything, and it does work out to be cheaper if I did book the city pass. So I ended up booking the city pass to travel, which is really good because that means I don't have to like worry about paying for any attractions or anything because I've already done that. It's all included in there, and also transportation as well to and from the airport, which is amazing. So all the public transportation and attractions are basically free with this card. So it worked out to be a bit cheaper, and I did the 48 hours one, which came to maybe like about 84 pounds. So yeah, that should be really good. Now I just need to go into these attractions and just see things, museums, palaces, all that sort of stuff. There's a few things there to see. There's not like a lot, so I can see a lot in like the 2 days that I'm there, but we'll see like how we feel anyway. I mean, I already have this card, so I might as well just go ahead and go into things and see them, right? So well, that is the plan anyway. I'm just gonna hurry up and pack stuff up and leave this bathroom because I am literally like boiling. My laundry's finished. I'm just putting some socks on. I need to like hang up my laundry, which is, I ended up putting on some jeans. I can't even like lift my legs in these jeans, they're so tight. Well, they're not tight, just around like this bit. That's like really tight, but I put these on to free up some space in my bag. Well, the main thing was I needed to press the other trousers and I couldn't be asked to iron anything, so I'm like, you know what, let me put my jeans on. So I'm gonna wear these jeans. It also free up some space in my bag, which is really good because it was taking up a lot of space. I need to leave out in like the next, say, 30 minutes. It's about 7, well, need to leave out in the next 17 minutes. It's about 7:43 now. And my bag is pretty much packed. Just need to do the laundry, take out the trash. Ready, and I'm going to come leave out now. I'm going to show you my outfit quickly. It's about 7:57. I need to go down to the trash, even though the trash is not far. I need to go down to the trash, throw away these garbage, and then I'm gonna head straight to the train station. I have a bit of a way to go, so I'm gonna like not procrastinate anymore. I did put on like this white shirt just to kind of like cover up a little bit, just in case it's a little bit chilly outside. Again, if I need to wear this, I can like button it up. tuck it, that sort of thing, make it look cute. But I just throw it over this for now. I'm probably gonna like roll up the sleeve as well, just so it looks a little bit better. I have on this vest, put on some jeans, and I just have on like a trainers as well, and this is pretty much what I'm going to just wear today. I do feel very comfy. Comfort is key. But yeah, let me grab my book. So I don't want to leave this. At least I have some form of entertainment for the 1 hour, even though I could listen to music. Talking about music, I'm gonna bring my AirPods. I'm not gonna bring my headphones with me, only because I don't think I need them. Let me open my window actually, just to let some fresh air in while I'm gone. And I'm going to head out, so I will pretty much see you guys when I get at the airport. As I'm at the airport, I'll go here like a good while now, but honestly the way here is like seating, crazy. It's about almost 12 or so, so I'm about to like try and get my where my gate is. Basically I just had to went to the bathroom because for some reason I was playing with my lip and I touched it and it was like loads of blood. I was like, what the heck? So now I just went to like wash that off, and I'm going to check like where my gate is going to be, type of thing. And hopefully, and still have like an hour or so wait, so I need to like try and find somewhere else to sit. Okay, the thing said to relax. So I'm gonna try and see if I can find another seat. Maybe I'll try and go back where I was before, and then I will catch you guys up. I went in to see, I went into W.H. Smith, and I was like looking through the book section. I was like, girl, you don't need any more books. But it's just something, even if I'm not buying any book or anything, I do like to like, I don't know. It's just something about going in bookstores and then just looking at other books, you know. But I had to tell myself, like, do not buy another book. Because I literally just started a new one this morning. I think like in the next 5 minutes or so, I should know where the gate is going to be. And then I can sit like a little bit closer to it. Just had a look on my email and the bloody flight has been delayed to 1 hour. Oh, so annoying. So I'm getting there even later than expected. And now I know why I didn't really fly with them before. Where was the bloody seating area where they're telling me to come to? Oh, it's the same one that I was before. Yeah, so the flight delayed, so now we just wait. I'm currently on the metro. The way I found this quick as well, like I'm actually from here. I was like, okay, I need to say that. You know what? Once you're in London and you know how to take the train, I always say this, like, you would know how to read and take the train anywhere. You just need understanding. So I'm coming off, I think, like the 10th stop. I have it on the maps. And then I'm going to take another one. But yeah, it's after 5 now. Like, the flight was just mad delayed. So I was meant to get here like after 3. Now it's like after 5, and also my internet was working, so I was talking to 3 because I'm meant to have like data roaming, but it just didn't connect. So they said to come off the Wi-Fi and just let it connect. I just said, look, I have to leave. So now maybe it's working now because I could get to see like where the train was going. But yeah, I'm very hungry. I did have like a McDonald's burger in the airport, but I need to get something else. And now I'm thinking, do I go straight to be fair, I did put the hotel thing in the maps, because I'm gonna go straight there. I was thinking just walk around French, but the bag, it doesn't really have that much support, so I want to like put down the bag and stuff, and then I will just head back out. So yeah, look at my lips, they're so dry, but my lip gloss is in another bag. So I keep like licking my lips, and then I keep wetting them with like this water as well. But it's very, very warm. The weather is like really nice. It's just great. We're gonna be exploring for 2 days. I'm not gonna lie, like it was such a nightmare. My lighting is a bit, I'm gonna show you what I'm saying, because I'm gonna show you what I'm saying.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my